Mga tropang totoo, again po, nandito po tayo now on my line of sight, the majestic and historical Taal volcano, composed of hills, and it's a Taal Island volcano actually. So today, December 29, dito po tayo now. Napakaganda po ng view, napaka-refreshing. I felt recharged and enthusiastic na naman with the lush of green green leaves from this forest to the clear skies, blue skies with clouds. This is very refreshing, guys. Mga tropan totoo, come visit the Talisay and take experience the grand majestic pictures or photos or view of Taal Volcano Island, and experience also the good and healthy foods here in Talisay, Batangas, and stay tuned for my vlog on the pertaining to safe travels. So kilala ko po yung tropang pulis natin, pulis totoo din po dito sa Talisay City, si Major Billy. Nakausap po siya last night. Ang sabi niya po, napaka safe po yung mga turista dito na bumisita ng Talisay to experience the magical view of Taal Volcano. Thank you po and God bless. Goodbye 2024, welcome 2025.